Hi everyone, here was living our little cockatiels babies, and now I moved them to one very nice cage, big one, so they can walk, they can climb up, they can be more happy there. Obviously, I think somebody is getting hungry. Oh, the little one, he's still scared. The other ones, they're more coming close. Let's see, I will play with them in a while, and I will make the video. They're hungry babies. He's coming out. What do you want, baby? Chew? Chew? Say chew, chew. Chew? 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 Yes, baby. Oh, he's coming out. He wants to come out. Come. Come, baby. Good baby. Good baby. Oh, you're okay. Uh-oh. The little one is also came close. There we go. And there is somebody who's watching us. He's very interesting. You are a grown-up baby. The most interesting thing, actually, look at their nails. His feet are white, but his nails are black. It's like somebody made a manicure for him. How can I help you, Ghost? Yeah, they are noisy babies. Whoa, you want it? No, you're not gonna get it. No, it's not for you. It's not a toy. It's a little baby. It's a little baby. He's opening his wings. Oh, yeah. Right. Go to your brother and sisters. You go up. Okay, go down. They're waiting for the food, but it's a bit too early to feed them. So we will do it in a while. Yeah. I will do it in a while. See, everybody? At least in this cage they can open their wings. Because in a small box it was very complicated for them. No. Somebody's biting my finger. It's not a chewing gum with the food. It's just a finger. It's just a finger. Bye, little ones.